Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. My dear children, mathematics part, simplification. Mathematics part, simplifications. Weightage minimum 2 marks and maximum 3 marks. So up to 2019, they given 2 marks. In 2020, they given 3 marks. So what is the weightage? Minimum 2 and maximum 3 marks. So in a mathematics simplifications based on the only one word, BODMAS. So B means bracket, O order, division, okay, M meaning multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Once observe, bracket B, O order, power, D division, M multiplication, addition, subtraction, okay, and order also same method, BODMAS. So from the top to bottom. For our convenience, easily I can understand. Observe. First one, bracket. So what kind of the bracket? So any kind, closed, curved, okay, open bracket, anything also same bracket. O order, x square, root x, 2 square, root 5, root 6, this type. Division, D means division. M multiplication, addition and subtraction, and this is the order also. This one is order. Depends upon the given question, follow the order. Observe first question. 2019 year, the only previous questions we discussed in the part 1 and part 2, anything also. Once previous questions are completed, then practice. Okay, so 2019. Observe 2.75, 1.25, 4.75 minus 3.0. In fractional form, they are asking fractional form. Observe. So minus and minus part, you can take right side. Okay, positives first. 2.75 plus 4.75 minus 1.25 minus 3.80. Here your methodology, you can follow your own method. Not suppose I am following this method, everybody also follow only this method, not necessary. Okay, simplest way you can follow, not a problem. So these two plus symbols, that's why 5, 5, 10, so 0, 1 carry, 7, 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So 5, 1 again carry. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, this one, 7. So 7.50. Minus, this minus same, that's a minus 5, 0. So 5. Addition. Okay. If you are confused, minus common meaning 1.25 plus 3.80, but every time not necessary. Minus 2, minus 3, so answer minus 5. In the same way, directly we are calculating. So 5, 0, 5. 2 and 8, 10. So 0, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, children, now observe. 7.50 minus 5.05 is the answer. So subtraction, 0 and 5. This is biggest number, 7.50. So 0 minus 5 means you can borrow from here 1. So it become a 10. 10 minus 5. So 5. So 1 borrowed already. So what is the remaining value? 4. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 means 4. Point. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 means 2.45. This 2.45 written as a fractional form. So here after decimal 2 numbers. So that's why your multiplication with 2.45 into 100 by 100. 100 by 100. So 245 upon 100. Okay, you can simplify. Okay, you can simplify the form. Otherwise, another method, 245 upon 200, change into mixed fraction. So this 245 how many times cancel? 2 times. Then carry remainder is 45 upon 100. So 5 9s, 5 20s. So after simplification, 2 9 by 20. So where is the option? 2 9 by 20. 2 9 by 20. Where is the option? Option A is the answer. But children, here practice compulsory. Okay. Next. So bracket simplification of the following is 2019, same 2019 here. So 15 and 1 by 2 minus bracket 12 by 5, 5 by 8 plus 7 divisible by 1, 3 by 4 bracket. Okay, again bracket, closed bracket into 2. First of all, inner bracket. You can simplify inner bracket. Okay, completely I write the equation. Observe. 15 and 1 by 2. Present not necessary. So 12 by 5 into 5 by 8 plus in this bracket 7 divisible by 4 ones 4 and 3 plus 3. So 7 by 4 into 2. This 2 15 so 30, 31 by 2 minus 12 by 5 into 5 by 8. Okay, plus 7 divisible meaning 7 by 4 into 2. Here 7 cancel. So 31 by 2 minus 12 by 5 into 5 by 8 plus, okay, after simplification value is 4 into 2. So in a bracket again 31 by 2 minus in the bracket multiplication first priority in that bracket 5 cancel. Okay, 12 by 8. 12 by 8 means 4 3s, 4 2s. So 3 by 2 plus 4 into 2. 31 by 2 minus in the bracket 11 by 4 2s are 8. Okay, 8 plus 3 11. So 11 by 2 into 2. Simplify. 31 by 2 minus 22 by 2. Denominator is same 2. Denominator is a 2. So 31 minus 22. So what is the answer then? 9. Okay, 9 by 2 is the answer. So 9 by 2. What is the option? Option C. Okay, here I write every step also. Because in that examination, if you are calculating very fast, then concept easy. Okay, suppose 1 or 2 steps skipping, direct answer you are not getting. That's why I write every step also. Okay, students. Next, the decimal equivalent to the, say denominator 10. Here denominator 10, numerator only 1. So simply denominator 10 means 1 decimal is 1 decimal position like this 0.1. Denominator 2 zeros. So I want 2 decimals like this. So there is no value. So 0. Here 1000 means 3 decimals left. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 1, 1, 1. There is no value. That's 0. Are you getting? So decimal 10 means 1 position is bring left side. Then put decimal symbol. Here denominator 100 means 2 positions bring left side. So 1 and 2. So 2 positions means this one. Okay, here there is no value. That's 0. Are you getting the point, children? Suppose 1, 2, 1 upon 10. Denominator 10 only. So the decimal portion is okay. Bring one portion left side. So 12.1 only. We have a 12. That's why we have 1 and 2. That's why I write like this. Suppose there is no value, then 0. Children, are you getting the point? One more example for you. 6, 7, 8 upon 100. Denominator 2 zeros. Denominator 2 zeros means the result become, suppose 6, 7, 8. 2 positions. The decimal value put, bring 2 positions left. Okay, 1 and 2. So 6.78 is the answer. Are you getting, children? Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 upon 1000. Denominator 1000. So 3 portions left. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 3 portions. 1, 2, 3. So you put 0 decimal here. Okay. So now observe. 0.1, 0.11, 0.111, 1, 2, 3. So 0.321 is the answer. Okay, children. Next. This one also very important concept, children. Very important concept. This is 2018, 2020 also given. Same methodology. Okay. Concentrate, all of you. Children, concentrate. 4137 upon 1.75. The result is equal to the 2364. You can remember. Okay, you can remember. Here observe. 4137, 41.37 upon 17.5. What is the value? Okay, here calculations, so simplification not necessary. Concentrate on the question, you got a clarity. 4137, you want complete 4137. That's why here 41.37. So after decimal, two values. That's why you can multiplication with 100 upon 100. Okay. So denominator actually 1.75 is required. 1.75 is required means, okay, 1.75 is required means here denominator 17.5. Okay. 1.75 is required. First once observe. Numerator value 4137, 100 into something. Here multiplication 17.5 into 100. But you want to observe 1.75. So decimal value, again bring one more portion here left. That's why denominator multiplication with it. Okay, this 17.5 multiplication with 10. Here also 10. Then the result is 4137 upon 1.75 into 10 into 100. Okay, so 4137 upon 1.75 into 1000. Okay, observe. 4137 upon 1.75. What is the value? 2364 upon 1000. So 2364 upon 1000. So denominator 1000. Denominator 1000 means denominator 3 zeros. So what is the decimal point? Where is the decimal value? Okay. The decimal value, bring left side 3 value. Bring 3 positions left side. 2364, 3 positions. 1, 2, 3. So 2.364 is the answer. 2.364 is the answer. Okay, children, are you getting? Once again, I will explain this point because this model is very important. Okay, once observe. Again observe. Given value 4137 upon 1.75 is equal to 2364. Okay, you can remember the value. So requirement 41.37 upon 17.5. You want 4137, but here 41.37. So after decimal, two values. That's why the numerator completely multiplication with 100, again divisible by 100, you got the answer 4137. 17.5. 17.5 means, okay, 17.5 meaning, but your requirement is 1.75. That's the reason. This value, okay, this 17.5 multiplication with 10 upon 10. So there is no change. We need one portion left. That's right. Divisible by 10. Again multiplication by 10. Then no change the value. So 41.37 into 100 by 100 upon 17.5 upon 10 into 10 for our convenience. So what is the value? 4137, okay, into 1 by 100 whole by 1.75 into 10. So simplify 4137 upon 1.75. This 1 by 100 become a denominator. 1 by 100 into 1, this 10. So 4137 upon 1.75 into 1000. Okay, 4137 upon 1.75. This value 2364. Denominator 1000. Denominator 1000. So 3 zeros. So the decimal position bring left side. 3 positions left side. So 2364. 3 positions. 1, 2, 3. 2.364. This is the answer. 2.364. Children are getting, okay. In a simplification, practice compulsory. For understanding purpose, I will explain each and every step also. But every time, all steps not necessary. Based on the practice. Next one. 101 into 0 into 11 is equal to that. This is 2017 problem. Anything also, multiplication of 0, anything. Okay, any value into 0. So 0 into anything always 0. Okay. Okay, next. Which one of the following is not equal to the 2.4? Not equal to 2.4. Not equal, they mentioned. So 2 by 5. So 2 by 5, what is the value? Already you know a b by c. What is the meaning? A plus b by c. Mixed fraction written as like this. So 2 plus 2 by 5. So 2 plus 2 by 5. 2 does not divisible by the 5. So you put 0.4. So then answer 2.4, which is equal to the 2.4. This is right answer actually. But requirement to not equal. This 12 by 5. This 12 by 5. What is the logic again? 5 2s are 10. Okay, 2.4. Again answer same. 2 4 by 10. 2 4 by 10. So 2 2s are 2 5s. So 2 by 5. This is already option A. So this is also same answer 2.4. So A also right answer, B, C also right answer, D also right answer. So 3 answers is equal to the 2.4. So this 22.5 not satisfied directly. Elimination method. Okay. 22.5. 22.5 upon 100. Okay, upon 100. So your denominator 100 means 2 zeros. So bring 2 positions left side. 0.225 answer, not 2.4. So option B wrong. So option B wrong means it depends upon the question. These 3 also satisfied same 2.4. Option B not satisfied. So then answer is B based on the question. Depends upon the question which option is the right. Option B is the right answer. Remaining values equal to the 2.4. Next. This one easy. 6.666. 6.66. 6.06. Okay. 6. 3 6 are 18. 1. 12. 13. 13. 6, 18 means 1 carry. So that one added. 19.386. answer. Next, this is 2017 question, easy problem. This type of question also very easy. 1 double 2, 2 double 4, 4 double 8, 8 double 16, 16 double 32. So option D. 2016, same methodology. The next three numbers of the pattern. So same pattern you should follow. So 4, 9, 16. 4 is 2 square. 9 is 3 square. 16 is 4 square. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Okay, like pattern. So square it should be. So you can check 20 is not a square. So cancel. 23 is not a square. 25 is a square. So 5 square. 6 square, 7 square. So satisfied. Option C satisfied. Here 5 square okay, but here 6 square not satisfied. So option D wrong. What is the option then? C is the answer. Okay children. This is 2020 question. Three by 8. First bracket division. LCM 3 and 6 LCM is 6. So 3 2s are 2 5s. 10 minus 1 plus 5 by 8. So 3 by 8 divisible. What is the answer? 9 by 6 plus 5 by 8. Okay. This 9, 3 3s, 3 2s cancel. So 3 by 8 divisibility apply upon 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 8. So this 3 cancel. Okay, so 2 numerator. So 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Denominator is equal. So 8. Then numerator should be added. So 2 plus 5. Then answer 7 by 8 is the answer. 7 by 8 is the answer. Okay children. So only previous questions we discussed. So you got a clarity. This is part 1. And we have part 2 also. Only previous questions. Then mathematics part completed for Navodaya. And we have mental ability concepts only. Okay children. All the best. Okay, practice well. Here practice very important.